This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm Meghan Donohue. Today I am talking with Greg Gianoplus, certified reverse mortgage professional with Alpha Mortgage. Hi Greg, how are you?
Good morning, Meghan. Thanks for having me. As always, I appreciate being here.
Last time you were here, you mentioned something about buying a new home using a reverse mortgage. How is that working?
Yeah, it's really catching on fire. We've spent the better part of the last 3 or 4 months working deep into the realtor community, doing workshops, and it's resulting in realtor referrals for purchase financing with reverse. Let me give you a quick example. We had a client that was living overseas after 8 or 9 years being away from the U.S. He and his spouse moved back. They had about $200,000 in the budget to pay cash for something and have no mortgage. But the home they really wanted, Meghan, was $260,000. We just gave them a small $60,000 reverse purchase money mortgage, and after closing, they spent their budget and they got the home they really wanted with no monthly mortgage payments. It's really working well. So we're talking with real estate agents and financial planners about this technique.
And how does that work with regard to financial planning?
Well, financial planners are often driving the bus with clients, giving them advice on how to right size in retirement. But for those that are not seeking to move to another home, the financial planners that we've been meeting with are loving the credit line aspect to a reverse mortgage. Quick example, the time to get a reverse mortgage is when you don't need it, or at least a reverse mortgage credit line. And so if someone has a $50,000 credit line, 10 or 12 years later, it'll be worth about $100,000. So it's a nice asset to count on at end of life.
Okay, that sounds good. And they can give you a call and come by and get that help they need.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can find out more about reverse mortgages by going to reversemortgagevalue.com.
This has been a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.